they not like us.
All right, you guys, what's going on? Let's jump right into this session. We want to take a look at the news, see what's going on online with the news, and then from there we want to figure out where the volatility will be, and we'll figure out which pairs we'll trade for the rest of this week. So give me a second. All right, so we got the economic calendar up. It looks like the volatility will be with euro pairs during the London session. And USD during New York. What's up, bud? Did you eat? Did you eat your food? Sure, come on in, Zeke. All right, so right now we're looking at Euro USD. Let's take a look at this area of structure here. This is where we had our first TP. Let's see how price responds right here, this area. There is a chance that we can see a continuation. A rejection from here before this downtrend continues. So we do have a head and shoulders pattern right here. Okay. Let's see if price will break above the highs here on Euro USD to retest that right shoulder. All right, so right now with this trade setup, we got a 1-7. V, what up, God? How you feeling? We got somebody on YouTube. How y'all doing over there on that end? Hope y'all enjoyed your evening. So yeah, with this setup, we called the sell from here, and all of the targets were hit on this sell. Now we are at this area right beneath this double bottom. Okay, so when you see price creating relatively equal lows like this, Most traders, the retail traders, they place their stop losses underneath those areas. And that is called the formation of liquidity. So typically when you see that, the market will drop beneath those areas to capture that money. And then it'll make a move in the opposite direction. Now, with it being the middle of the week, even if this downtrend is valid, there is room for a retracement from this area. So we could possibly see, like I said, the retest of the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulders pattern before we get that continuation in the downtrend. So right now in Euro USD, we actually just took this buy. We want to see how this thing is going to play out. Earlier, we were looking at it from this level here. But now it's retesting this structural level of resistance, which is now support. Once price broke out of this area right here, breaking through these highs, this area of resistance became support, and now price is retesting this area. So if we fail to break beneath, we will see a pullback. We already cleared these lows, but if this low stays intact, we will see a retest of the highs, if not a break of the highs. So that's what we're looking at right now. On Euro USD, we took a Euro JPY sell. Oh damn, that thing turned out well. So we waited until this structural level right here got retested, and we took this Euro JPY sell. So from this level, everything played out, and this would actually have been our first target. So this is shaping up in a similar fashion as, what was that, Euro USD? There's a great chance that you could see a pullback from this area to retest the highs before we get another move with this pair. We also took a sell on, what was that, pound JPY? And we just hit TP1 on it. All right, so big wins for the team. Let's go.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
All right, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. So from here, we need to check on gold. So if y'all got that pound JPY, make sure you close out one of those positions because we just hit TP1. We also took a NASDAQ 100 sell that dropped in profit. Let's see. How did that turn out? NAS 100. Hey, let's go, V. V said he up over a stack in a few hours. Let's fucking eat. Let's go. Man, I gotta reprogram my win. Some way, somehow, I must have deleted it. I deleted my preset. Okay. So, as far as our wins, I believe we got a lesson. What did we get a lesson on? I don't know. We took a lesson on something. Right now, NASDAQ 100. Look at that. Almost 1,000 pips here. And 53 pips. Pound JPY. $57 pips Euro JPY. All right, cool. So looking at the 2 hour right here, where this thing broke beneath the structural level of support, it left an area that could possibly get retested if price comes back to test it. So what we want to do is make sure that we take some of the profits on Euro JPY. And when we reach this area here, excuse me, we're going to add to this position. So we already hit TP1 on this trade setup. We got a winning trade set up that we called in our live session. Again, you guys, if you want to start trading with us live but you don't know where to begin, head to our website and get access to our free course. In this free course, I'm going to show you how to set up your demo account, your live account. That way you'll be able to get on and make the trades with us, go green with the team, and learn how to make profits without being present. So from here, we are going to take this thing. Yeah, y'all hurry up, you guys. Take this thing down here. Let's get some targets. Let's go to the 786. All right, so we're getting our target set. We always want to make sure that we have multiple target areas when we are trading. So if a trade that was moving in your favor just so happens to turn around, you made sure that you got some of the profit. Put the rest of the trades at break even. And that way you'll stay in a position where you can win, because trade management and mindset were some of the key components to being profitable consistently. All right, so let's look at gold. What happened with gold? Okay, so we're actually looking for a rejection on gold. Which one did you miss, V? I thought gold may have gave. I thought gold was maybe going to set up a potential pullback to retest this head and shoulders pattern before continuing this downtrend. But I did notice that we broke out of this upward channel that looks more so like a bearish flag. And after doing that, it created another flag pattern right on the 236. So the original idea was to take this trade set up with this stop loss in mind. But this area right here bothered me a little bit. So I honestly believe it may pull down and give me these TPs. Hit a few of these areas, but turn around. So we'll just have to see to be safe with gold. But so far, just looking at what we have, the momentum is bearish. NASDAQ 100. Oh yeah, NASDAQ 100. I took this trade set up because of the 2 hour. On the 2 hour, I noticed somewhat of a double top right here at all-time highs on NASDAQ. So we set a limit order right here, V. You know how it works. Set that limit order, price came up, hit that limit order, and now we are in profit. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so pretty much the same thing going on with pound USD. It's looking for sales early last week. Price moved up just a little bit just to knock us out, teach us some lessons, and now looks like she wants to give us that rejection that we were waiting for. So let's see, what are the possibilities of price retesting this area to let us in a sale, to retest the 50, giving us a 1 to 4 trade setup, so that looks pretty good. And the way this thing is lined up, it looks like the EMA should all be bearish. Everything is bearish except for this 200-day EMA. Once it gets a little closer to price, where it's underneath price, we'll see what's the true intention, because we could see a break below, and we're going to take that sell. Okay? So again, you guys that are new to trading, you want to learn how to execute, you can hop on live with us and learn how to do this for free. If you don't know where to start, head over to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. From there, you can get access to our free course. That 9-day course will guide you through setting up that demo account, your live account. That way, you can hop on when I hop on, learn how to make profits without being present. Yeah. All right, cool. So as far as Euro, we got Euro AUD. We're waiting on the level to be retested on Euro AUD. So pretty much the same thing that we use for NASDAQ 100. On the 2 hour, we had this area at the highs that needed to be retested. We waited until price hit that area, and we took it going in the opposite direction. So if you look at AUD USD, it is the exact same setup. And this is how you can become profitable in the market, by being patient enough to spot similar patterns. And once they happen, from there, you just use probability and your skill set that you learn through technical analysis, proper risk, and you just take the trade, man. Believe in yourself. All right, cool. So we got an alert set here. We are going to take this sell on Euro AUD. Let's see what's going on with Euro CAD. All right, cool. So the same thing. We were looking for a sell too soon, and we learned a lesson. Price came up. What is this level? Must be the 4 hour. Yeah, price came up and hit this 4 hour zone and gave a perfect rejection. Now from here, we really got to be mindful of, I deleted the wrong thing. We got to be mindful of what we're seeing. So just because price hit one of our zones and gave a good rejection, it doesn't mean that this thing is going to continue moving in our direction. So what we have is right here. If we take a look at this 618, this would have been considered a false breakout. But right now, price is trending sideways. It's consolidating right on the 618. So there's still equal opportunity for each side. this could definitely just be a little consolidation before pushing this thing above the highs. So we want to watch and monitor this pair for the rest of the week, and we want to see what's going to happen with Euro CAD. Again, right now we are up over a couple thousand pips in these live trading sessions. I'm calling all of the trades, giving you guys my stop losses and my targets. All you have to do is just copy and paste and win with us, okay? If you don't know where to start, head over to our website, profittakers.com, hit that courses tab, and that free 9-day course will help you get started with your demo and your live account, and that way you can get active with us. All right, so we got those alerts set. Euro CAD, Euro Pound definitely still in the downtrend right here. Now look at that. This was our entry. Price missed our entry by how many pips? $13 pips. It is okay. It's coming back. So let's tighten up this chart. Let's see what we got. Price created liquidity here, but this candle dropping beneath captured all of that liquidity. Now again, if you guys missed it, when you see support or resistance in the market, the retail trader typically places their stop loss either beneath those areas or they'll place it above. All of those areas are visible in the market, okay? So the institutional side of trading, they can see those orders, they can see all of your stop losses, and it's a man-made and also man-manipulated game. They'll normally move price to hit your stop losses, close your trade, and then price will move in the opposite direction. I learned it through a lot of trial and error, and originally it pissed me off. But we got to learn from these things so we can execute properly. All right, cool. So with the way prices consolidating right here at this level, there is a chance we'll get a continuation in this downtrend. Looking at all of the EMAs, is definitely still bearish. 4 hour. Yeah, all the way down to the 15-minute. Let's see, we got some highs right here. Let's see if the market wants to establish this area right here as a structural level of resistance. So we will watch and monitor this high. Come here, let me delete you. All right. Let's see if price pulls back towards this area. If so, we'll look at possibly taking a continuation of this downtrend on Euro Pound. Okay. Also, you guys will be doing some live events. Everything is running smoothly. We did some more partnerships, so if you guys want to come out, meet in person, and get some live training on trading, we'll be meeting at East Point and also Buckhead. I'll be dropping those links for registration really soon. We got a couple really nice offices. We got some big traders, a couple of hedge fund traders. One of them managed a little over $1.3 billion for a private firm. So we got a lot of expertise coming out just to share knowledge with you, and this is for free. So we'll keep you guys posted. Hey, Man, we're going to pack these live events out, man. I'm ready to see everybody come out. Okay, USD CAD. This thing gave a pretty nice rejection off of the 618 with a double bottom. Let's see. With this bull flag being created, at this point we need to see what happens at this 786. Pretty sure it's a double top. Yeah, here we go. So right here on the 2 hour, here's that double top that I was speaking about. Let's see if price will hold when it reaches this 786 or if it's gonna break above. Right here, slightly above the 786, it's another double top, but this one is yet to be retested. Just pressing everything. So what we want to do, instead of reacting on this one, we're going to wait until the 786 is wicked. We'll set an alert up here. Now, with that double bottom being here on the 618, we could possibly see a little consolidation in this area before a breakout. Now let's go to a higher time frame to see what the dominant trend is. Okay, cool. So right now, the dominant trend is this downtrend. But the way price is setting up, this could very well be what you call a bull flag. That's when price is moving up, creating higher highs and higher lows. And then you see a period where price begins to trade moving down in a channel. And then you get a break above. So this is another one of the patterns that I was referring to when I said this thing or these particular patterns happen over and over again. It's just up for you to be patient enough to sit in front of this tool, this machine, and master these patterns. I studied maybe about an hour a day, and I was able to, whoa, hold on, that is not correct. When I first started, I studied about 4 or 5 hours a day. But after I understood it wasn't the amount of time that you're putting in, it is the quality of the material that you're studying. I was able to consolidate some of that time studying and put the rest of that time into applying what I was learning. Because it's just the application of this stuff. I can give you everything I know, but if you are not relaxed, calm, mentally sound enough to execute it, it's worthless. All right, so again, let's see what we got here. We are going to see another rejection right here at the 786 and a retest of the 618 before we break above those highs and break structure. Or we'll see a continuation in this downtrend. With the way everything is setting up right now, I'm banking on this thing to give us a bull flag just because of the higher time frames. Yeah, so the daily and the weekly, it definitely looks like a bull flag. So let's see how that plays out. We'll set an alert up here at this 786. See, down on the 618, like I said, we got that double bottom. Yeah. So let's see how this thing turns out as well. So we already got a couple of winning setups. Patience is a virtue, yes sir. We got a couple of setups. Man, what is going on with USD JPY? You gave me a false breakout too. So we took a buy on USD JPY up to this area. We were expecting a pullback, right? Because we had a double top on the daily. Now, price actually continued to move a little higher than I expected on this zone. So this trade ended up being a lesson for us. But what was that? The 2 hour? The 2 hour time frame just printed a double top right here. So we are about to find out if this level right here is valid. We're going to see how strong this structural level is. Price is either going to continue to bounce right here and then make a higher high, or we'll see a break and this thing will continue making lows. This will be a false breakout. And funny thing, double top right here, and it has to pull back to retest this double bottom. So it's the battle of dominance right here between the bulls and the bears. Let's see which reversal pattern holds true. I believe the safest way to execute this trade is to wait. We can wait to see if this level is broken here or here. So I'll just set these alerts on USD JPY. Hey. And this will be it for the night, you guys. Ooh, oil is acting up. Now I wanted to take this oil buy, but it didn't give me a 1 to 3. I did not see this thing going this high, but that is just fine. Yeah, so we didn't take that setup, but that's cool, you guys. Where are you? Where are you? Want to thank you guys for hopping on and checking out our session. It's TK Profit from Profit Takers. Just want to come in, give back, and show you guys not only trading strategies or give you trading advice, but I want to actually show you how to execute these trades live time in the market so you can get real experience from professional analysts and trader. Okay? If you guys want to start with us but you don't know where to begin, head over to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. Let me find it. Where are we? Head over to that courses tab, go down to free courses, sign up. In our free 9-day course, we'll show you how to set up your demo account, your live account. I'll also walk you through placing your trades. I'll show you how to monitor and leverage your trade setups properly and put you in a proper position with a golden trading plan. Outside of that, we have our Mindset Series Structure Breaking. This is the biggest gem of our company. Aligning your mindset and breaking that structure mentally will put you on the right route with aligning your mind with your words. Okay? We'll learn how to use the powers of our thoughts, beliefs, and actions to create a life that we desire. Outside of that, for all of you do-it-yourselfers, we have a few books available on Amazon. 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results. These books cover the concepts that I cover in our charting sessions and our live sessions. We also have our log books for Forex and options. These not only help you log your trades, but your emotional state in the process of executing those trades. Very important things to go through. Okay? Now, we also have our merch available, so y'all go ahead and support the dream and the mission, and remember that you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?
Okay, let the streets know.
Y'all don't forget, this is y'all affirmation.
Let the streets know.
Y'all stay focused. Have a beautiful evening. Love yourself.
Okay.
and talk your shit. Just for the profit.